Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into another question that I got from one of my viewers on my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna be talking about that particular comment, that particular question in this video. So let's dive in. Before we go back, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be get notified about it. Also we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. Also you can check out our website, is globocreative.com. check out the freebie section, download the graphics and KDP interiors and all. So we are going to start an exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. Right now it's on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will going to send you each and every week email inbox regarding exclusive content, making money online, and so much more. Consider subscribing. It's 100% free. The link is in the description box below. You can change your mind later if you want to unsubscribe it. But anyway guys, let's talk about today's question and how it is related to so many people, because we are currently at the time of the holidays. Like it's the October, November, December. These are the 3 months to expect more sales for the entire year. The Black Friday, the Cyber Monday, the Thanksgiving, the Christmas, and there are so many holidays, few days and months. Also the Halloween. So we are expecting to make more money and to make more sales. And this question also related to that particular thing only. The question is it the right time to upload the Thanksgiving products on Redbubble, Zazzle, or any other print-on-demand websites or not? Because I've been talking a lot many times in my videos that you at least need to upload 3 to 4 months or 2 to 3 months before actual that holiday comes or that season or that festival comes, because it really takes some time to get your products, to get your designs actually found on that particular search engine. So that particular comment got me, like it's a few days back only. At this time of the October, is it the right time to upload the Thanksgiving products right now on the Redbubble, right now on the Zazzle? So I'm going to be talking about is it the right time or not, and what could you do if you're uploading right now to get them more sales and all that stuff. So let's now, is it too late or is it the right time to upload the Thanksgiving products? Now I'm gonna tell you guys, it is late, because Thanksgiving is on the 25th of November and we are already in October. So just the 1 month or few days are above that. And I normally talk about uploading the products 2 to 3 months, because it actually takes time to get found in the search engine of any particular print-on-demand website you're talking about. Because if you're completely a newbie, a beginner, you don't have that many of followers, favorites, you don't have the sales history or any reviews for your product, so it will going to take some time to actually get found in that search engine. So you need to prep for the holidays before actually start, like 3 to 4 months. So that's why I talk a lot about making the holiday calendar in the January for this entire year. Like in the January of 2021, I've been talking a lot about making the holiday calendars when the sales are down, because in the Q1 the sales are down in comparison to the Q4, that is the January, February or March. The sales are a little bit down in comparison to the December, November and October. So I talk about preparing for the next upcoming holidays when the sales are down, and making the holiday calendar so that you don't miss out any holidays and you are actually prepped before that actual season comes, so you can make the more sales. Yes, it's a little bit late, but still, if you are uploading the designs right now, I have some tips for you. First tip I have for you, if you want to upload the Thanksgiving product right now, just go get started with that. Don't overthink too much about it, because we often get overthink a lot about it. Like, should we need to do right now? Is it the best time? Are we late? Or we are late, so we can't upload it right now. Maybe we are going to wait for the next 2022 to upload it. We ask several questions. We have several doubts before actually doing anything. I want to tell you, don't overthink too much about it. Just take an action. Just start uploading it, because you never know when you can get the sales. Of course, we generally talk about uploading the products 2 to 3 months, but still, if you want to upload it right now, just do it. Because if you overthink and take an entire week or take 10 days to think a lot about it, you're wasting your time, and we don't want to waste our time, because we are already in the October. And Thanksgiving is on 25th November, so upload it right now. Don't waste your time. So that's the number one tip, is to not overthink too much about it. Just go get the thing done. The second thing I have for you guys, if you're uploading products related to the Thanksgiving, upload more product. Now this is quite easy, quite obvious one, and they just need to upload 10 or 15 designs or 20 designs or maybe 30 or 40 designs related to that particular occasion, and then they are good to go. No guys, of course you need to find the right balance between the trending and the evergreen niches. Now the Thanksgiving is kind of like a trending, because once Thanksgiving is over, you need to wait an entire year to get the sales for that particular product. Find the right balance between the trending and evergreen. But if you're going with any trending niches or any trending holidays or anything like that, upload more as much as you can, because if you're uploading more, it's quite obvious you are allowed to get more exposure on that particular platform, because the more products you upload, more chances for you to found on that particular search engine. So don't just upload 10 to 15, upload more as much as you can. Don't limit yourself. Don't think that you need to upload only 5 products or only 10 products and you shouldn't upload more. No, don't go into that thing, because uploading the product is free, so why not upload more as much as we can. So that is the second thing. It's quite obvious. People think that it's obvious, but we don't take the action according to it, because when we are overthinking, we are late, oh we are late, and then we started uploading, we upload 5 to 10, 15 or 20, that's all, and we wait to expect the sales. Don't do it. Just upload as much as you can, because even in fact you won't get that many sales this year, but you can get the sales the next year as well, because Thanksgiving comes each and every year. So don't forget about that. If you are not able to do well in this holidays, that's okay, that's completely fine, that's completely normal. You can do the best in the next upcoming year. If you messed up right now, it's completely normal guys. Go easy with yourself, don't be too hard on yourself. That's completely normal if you messed up, because when we are prepping for holidays, we often mess up with something or the other. That's completely normal. We can learn from it, we can grow from it, and we can implement the best strategies for our next upcoming holidays. That would be in 2022. So don't get pissed off or don't feel bad if you make any mistake or if you messed up. That's also really important. So keep that thing in mind. Upload as much as you can and don't be hard on yourself. Just be okay with what you can do right now. Focus on that and do the things and give your best as much as you can. As well, I talk a lot about the mental stuff as well, because mental stuff also consideration regarding the results which we want. It's not everything about taking an action. At times we also need to work on our self-talk, on our mental stuff, on our emotional stuff, which is really important. So don't be hard on yourself and give your best as much as you can. And another tip that I have for you, which is also really important, is to share your products, promote your products. I think I've made a videos talking about promoting and sharing on the Pinterest. I'm going to leave those videos in the card section above. You can check it out. You can share it on the Pinterest, where the idea pins is gaining huge traction right now. I have tried the idea pins before, but from few weeks I'm not trying that much of the idea pins, so that's my views are a little bit going down on a Pinterest, but that's completely normal. Like, you need to do it on a consistent basis. It's not like one day task or 1 week task that you're doing for a 1 day 1 week and then you're leaving it like that. So promote and share as much as you can. Promote it on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Facebook groups as well. Even in fact, if you have different kinds of WhatsApp groups or different kinds of communities, like if you have joined the meetup groups or meetup community, or people like-minded to relate to that hobby and interest in somewhere in your city. Another tip that I have for you is regarding your hashtag, your title and description. When you're uploading product related to Thanksgiving, make sure you are optimizing your title, tag, description according to it. I would highly recommend you to go with the keywords like the gifts, the Thanksgiving gifts, the Christmas gifts, or the holiday gifts, something like that. Introduce the gift word in your tags, title, description, and optimize it according to it. So when someone is landing on your shop, on your design, they can read that it's particularly made for. So it is more likely for you to get found in that particular search engine for the Redbubble, Zazzle, or whatever it is, because people will going to search for Thanksgiving gifts, and you would be more likely to found because you have used that exact keyword in your design, in your product, and it would increase your likely chances to get found on that particular search engine. So do it, guys. It's a little bit of the shifting you could probably do, like in the text, title, description according to it, so that people can see more of it and they are more. Another tip that I have for you is make a separate collection or category or something like that in your shop. For example, if you have a shop related to, suppose, floral patterns, for example, okay, and if you're uploading a Halloween or Thanksgiving or Christmas related products or design into that shop, make a separate collection, because collection also do rank on the search engine. When people are looking for any particular product, they find the collections related to it. So collection also get found in that particular search engine of Redbubble, Zazzle, whatever it is. If you have the facility to create collection, if you have that customization option in your shop, then go forward and add all your designs related to that particular event in that particular collection, because collection also get the search balls, also get the search volume, and people are more likely to convert since they are using that particular stuff. So have a collection, have a trending designs, and the event is coming across, feature your latest products or feature your event related product in your shop. So when someone is coming on your shop, they can see that this shop is also having Thanksgiving products, Halloween products, Christmas products, and feature according to it. Keep on updating your shop with time, according to the event, according to the occasion. Once Christmas is gone, then don't feature those products, because Christmas is gone, no one will going to purchase for that product in the January, in the February. Then you can feature the Valentine products for the February, then you can feature the Easter that's coming in the April. So feature the products according to the event, according to the holiday and season in your shop. So when someone is landing, they can see that this shop has so many products related to winter holiday, and they are more likely to convert. And once that holiday is gone, then you can update it, and you can update your collection, update your feature product according to next upcoming event or holiday. So do that thing, guys. It will really going to help you. Of course, customization sometimes feels like a lot of work because you need to do that, but still it is a lot of work. It's not just opening up a Redbubble shop. You need to do a lot of work by uploading designs, maintaining your shop, customizing it, and doing all that stuff. So hopefully you find today's video useful and I have answered that particular comment and question. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any further doubt related to it. And hopefully you find these tips useful. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.